सो आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं चैप्टर 1 इवोल्यूशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स? चार्ल्स बेबेज. Which device used to punch wooden card and is considered the first read-only memory device? Jacquard loom. What is the main feature of the fifth generation computers? Use of artificial intelligence. Which of the following is a limitation of a computer? No learning powers. Which is the purpose of a program in a computer? To give instructions to the computer. Name the following. The ability of computers to think and act like humans, AI. A set of instructions given to computers, program. Programming languages developed in second generation computers, COBOL and BASIC. The first electronic computer to use binary system, EDVAC. The first digital electronic computer, ये हो जाएगा ENIAC. ENIAC. Next, match the given columns. So 1642 Pascaline, Blaise Pascal. फिर जैक्वार्ड लूम 1801 पंच कार्ड्स. Leibniz calculator 1671 Gottfried Leibniz. Analytical engine mechanical digital computer 1823 Charles Babbage. Difference engine 1822. Next, answer the following question in detail. What is distinguishes first generation computers from second generation ones? So in first generation, scientists uses vacuum tubes as processor in them. So they were so big that they occupied an entire space. Their speed has quite low and power consumption was very high. Inputs in such computer were in the form of punch card and paper tape. Their programming capacity was very low. They could not store much data. They were huge in size and very expensive. ICA 1 for first generation, and for second generation computer, transistors were used as a processor instead of vacuum tubes, and transistors were far superior to vacuum tube, allowing computer to become smaller, faster and cheaper. These computers were smaller in size and were in use between 1956 and 1963. Both first and second generation computer used punch card as their input and printout as output, and they were more energy efficient and reliable than the first generation computer. Their operating speed was comparatively higher than the first generation computer. High level programming languages like COBOL and BASIC were developed in this generation, ICA 1. Number 2, provide a short explanation of third generation computers. So, computers belonging to the third generation became much smaller, worked faster. This was due to the invention of integrated circuits, which are tiny square chips with thousands of transistors placed on them. So, instead of punch card, keyboards were used to input data. Monitors were used for the first time as output device instead of printouts. Third generation computers were in use between 1967 and 1971. IBM 370 and NAV 7500 are two examples of the third generation computers. This is ICA 2. 3. What are the 4 defining characteristics of a computer? Computer has the following characteristics: speed, reliability and accuracy, memory capacity, capability to be programmed, versatility. This is ICA 3. Question number 4. How do computers provide advantages to us? So computers save time and perform calculation quickly and accurately, avoid mistake, get high quality and error-free work, get results printed out neatly, store a large amount of data. ICA 4. Question number 5. What limitations are present in computers? Limitations are: computer cannot think, they cannot do any task unless they are programmed with specific instructions. Computers cannot decide on their own as they don't possess key elements required to take decision like intelligence, knowledge, information, wisdom, and ability to judge. Computers are dependent on electricity for their working, which increases the cost. Computers have no learning power. They need to be instructed for every task. They cannot solve the problems on their own, cannot implement reasoning. ICA 5. Look at the image given alongside, answer the following question. What is the name of this early calculating device? This is abacus. Question number 2. Which country is credited with its invention? China. What kind of mathematical operation can it perform? Perform simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division by abacus. So this is FK 3. Thank you and subscribe for more such solution videos.